Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to store the important files in CentOS Stream 9 in GUI mode. So I have opened the file explorer. So here you can see that starred directory. So all the starred files will be appearing here. So now I am going to star a file. Right click in context menu, you can the star option, click the star. So now you can see that file is getting starred. Now I am going to star directory. So in GUI mode also you can start the file as I shown here. Just click the star symbol. Now the files are starred. Yes. Next I am going to start this directory. Yes. So go to start location. You can see that entire directory is appearing here. So starring is nothing but it's like bookmarking. Bookmarking a URL in file browser. Similar to that, you are bookmarking a file so that you can access the file quickly. No need to go to that location, so you can access the file quickly. So you can also unstart the file as I am showing now. So very simple. Just toggle the star button. That's it. You can unstart the file. So make use of this feature, which will be very useful for you. This is the way we need to star and unstart the files in CentOS Stream 9.